This Nuovva 2-piece set, featuring an air fryer basket for oven and a crisper tray, aims to be a helpful addition to your kitchen. The extra-large 13 inches x 19 size offers ample space for cooking more food at once, which could save you time. Both the air fryer basket for oven and the tray have a non-stick coating. This feature is designed to prevent your food from sticking, making it easier to flip items and clean up afterward. The elevated mesh design of the air fryer basket for oven and the crisper tray is intended to promote better air circulation around your food. The idea behind this design is to help your food cook more evenly and achieve a crispy texture, similar to what you might expect from a dedicated air fryer. You can use this air fryer basket for oven and tray set in your regular oven. This could be a convenient option if you want to air fry larger quantities of food than a countertop air fryer allows. Think of it as bringing some of the benefits of air frying to your existing oven. The black color gives it a simple and functional look that should fit into most ovens without being too noticeable. For those considering this set, it might be seen as a reasonable investment if you frequently cook for a family or entertain guests. The non-stick surface is a key selling point, promising less scrubbing and more enjoyable cooking. However, like any kitchen stuff, the longevity of the non-stick coating will depend on how well you care for it. Following the manufacturer's cleaning instructions will likely help it last longer. While this set aims to provide air frying-like results in your oven, your thoughts on its effectiveness will ultimately depend on your expectations and the types of food you cook. Pros: extra large size, 2-piece set, elevated mesh, crisper results, healthier cooking. Mess-free design, durable material, versatile use. Cons: measurements may be off, quality may be lacking, not always non-stick, can be hard to clean. Mesh can trap food, may rust over time, uneven cooking possible, takes up oven space. Features: air fryer basket, oven air fryer, crisper tray, non-stick, baking tray, elevated mesh 2-piece set, black color, by Nuovva brand. This Nuovva product is a 2-piece set that can help you cook food in your oven like an air fryer. It includes a non-stick black tray and a basket with an elevated mesh bottom. The set is extra large, measuring 13 by 19 inches, giving you plenty of space to cook. The elevated mesh design helps air circulate, making your food crispy, similar to food from an air fryer. You can also use the tray for regular baking. This Nuovva 2-piece set has a big air fryer basket and tray for your oven, designed to make foods crispy and cook them in a healthier way with less mess. The mesh bottom helps air circulate, but it might trap food and could be hard to clean. And the non-stick might not always work well. Some users have concerns about the quality and that the sizes might not be exact, and there's a chance it could rust or cook unevenly, also taking up space in your oven.